everyone, welcome back. Thank you for your amazing comments and feedback. Keep them coming in. Today we're going to be making another classic and another one of our best sellers, which is the Pornstar Martini. We're going to be making 3 different variations of this drink. There are many more which I will talk about. So the first way is using a fresh passion fruit. First, you want to halve your passion fruit. Next, you want to scoop all the seeds out and put them into your Boston glass. Put your other half to one side because we'll use it as a garnish later. Next, you want to add a double shot of vanilla vodka and a single shot of Passionfruit. This is a passionfruit liqueur. It's sold in most supermarkets. You can also buy it on Amazon. I think it's about £10 on Amazon. Next, you want to add about 75ml of pineapple juice. Make sure you give it a shake before. Then you want to fill your Boston glass with ice. Sugar syrup is optional, but I think it tastes better with. Put your lid on top and get ready to shake. This drink I would probably double strain because you don't want to get any pips in the drink. And that's the first way we're going to make a Pornstar. So the second way of making this drink is with a passion fruit puree. You can buy this from Ocado or online. It's quite difficult to find in supermarkets unless you can go to Booker's or somewhere. You want to squirt about 75ml into your Boston glass. After this, it's the exact same method. So 2 shots of vanilla vodka, 1 shot of Passionfruit and 75ml of pineapple juice. And then we have our second way of making a Pornstar Martini. Our third method, and I've never done this way before, but it's just using passion fruit juice. So just like the puree, you want to add 75ml. And again, same method for everything else. So I'm going to leave that footage in there because it shows you what happens if you don't shake your drink long enough. You don't get a foamy head, you get a flat drink. I'm going to pour it back in and reshake. As always, garnishing is optional, but you can put half a passion fruit in and it floats. Wow. Usually you would serve this drink with a shot of Prosecco. I don't have any Prosecco on me, I'm in isolation like you. That's the reason for these videos. Just on the subject of Prosecco, lots of people pour it into the drink. I was always told it was to cleanse the palate before you have the drink, but if anyone wants to comment and tell me what the Prosecco is for, that would be great. So this is one of my favourite drinks, so I'm going to see which one tastes best. That one's okay. It's not brilliant. It's not the best Pornstar I've ever had. I added that one in there because all of these ingredients might be difficult to come across. Passion fruits are expensive. The puree you might not be able to get your hands on. It's a nice drink. It's not bad, but let's see how the others taste. So that one's much better than our previous one. That one was using the puree. That's how we make them at work. It tastes a little bit bitter. To be completely honest, the passion fruit puree is from the bar when I went there to clean, and it's been open for longer than it should have been, so it's probably gone a bit bitter, but usually that's much sweeter, and they didn't use any sugar syrup in that drink. As much as it pains me to say, because it's not how we make them, the one with fresh passion fruit is really good. I'm meant to be on a diet, but I'm going to go and finish all of these now. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to leave a comment on what drink you want me to make next, I will do my best to make whatever possible.